Are you frustrated with watching your hard-earned money vanish due to market volatility? Does the looming threat of another economic recession keep you up at night? How about the relentless bite of taxes and inflation? Ever wondered why taxes seem to be the biggest hurdle to building wealth? Have you ever questioned who truly benefits from your 401k, 403b, IRA, TSP, and other tax-deferred retirement accounts? Is it Uncle Sam or your cherished family? Are your retirement savings and investments shielded from market swings and taxes? Imagine a financial strategy that ensures your money works not just for you, but also for those you hold dear. A strategy that keeps your retirement goals within reach, optimizes your portfolio, and shields you from the unpredictable market fluctuations. What if you could legally remove Uncle Sam from your retirement equation entirely? Would you take me upon this or continue to contribute into Uncle Sam's pocket? And yes, it's possible thanks to the Internal Revenue Code Sections 7702A and 72E. And these tax codes even allow you to grow your money with zero risk of losses and zero tax liability on your gains. Since 1913, savvy investors like John D. Rockefeller, Walt Disney, J.C. Penney, John McCain, Ray Kroc, and many others have utilized these tax codes to survive economic depressions, withstand market fluctuations, outpace inflation, and leave lasting financial legacies for their loved ones. The tax codes 7702A and 72E can also shield your estate and loved ones from excessive taxation. Protect against creditors, predators, lawsuits, and the probate law system. Replace lost income if you become critically, chronically, or terminally sick. Provide a stream of tax-free retirement income for life. Fund your children's or grandchildren's college education using other people's money, and even help you pay off your mortgage in record time using the power of leverage. Or just put an indefinite protection on your home. Empower your kids or grandkids with a smart college plan that can pay for a first car, a first home, start a business, and much more. These tax codes can also be used to optimize your current retirement accounts for risk-free growth and tax-free distributions. Pay executive bonus compensation to your key employees. Cover business losses incurred when a key employee dies. Preserve your business legacy beyond your death. Or just create a pool of tax-free generational wealth to preserve your legacy. This is in fact the biggest tax exemption in the United States tax system, returning billions of dollars into taxpayers' pockets. Assets linked to this account are protected from lawsuits, creditors, and predators. In the unfortunate event of your demise, the death benefit blossoms and gets paid to your beneficiary's income tax-free and without having to face the nightmare of probate court proceedings. Major financial institutions such as Bank of America, Wells Fargo, J.P. Morgan Chase, and large corporations like J.C. Penney, Disney World, Yale University, Harvard University, McDonald's, and many others all use this same smart financial strategy to protect their Tier 1 capital from market volatility and taxes. And this is the same smart financial strategies that high-income earners and the elite class utilize to build and transfer wealth across generations. Today, you too are being given the unique opportunity to make the financial and tax systems work for you and your loved ones. To harness the power of the biggest tax benefits in the entire United States financial system, to transform your bank or retirement savings into a tax-free personal bank that supercharges your income by creating a 770 tax-efficient account today. A tax-advantaged account that utilizes the power of uninterrupted compound interest together with downside protection to help you turn your pennies into billions of tax-free dollars. And even if you have a tax-advantaged account, a life policy, or a retirement saving account already, we bring a totally new perspective on how to properly structure these accounts for maximum cash accumulation and income. And we are accredited by the Better Business Bureau with an A+ rating for our excellent service to the public. In fact, we are one of the few accredited financial advisory firms out there that actually understands how the 770 tax-advantaged account works. And we are here to help you see if you can qualify for this tax loophole and start leveraging tax-advantaged accounts today to secure your financial future. Contact us today at 469-843-3595 or click on the Learn More button below to schedule a free consultation with one of our experts and dedicated financial professionals who will point you in the right direction. We also offer free policy review and financial portfolio optimization to help you optimize your 401k, 403b, IRA, TSP, and other retirement accounts for risk-free growth and tax-free income. By now, you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. There must be a catch. But don't you think you deserve something too good to be true, at least once in your lifetime? And remember, our services are completely free of charge. But we are very selective in our pre-qualification process, and the only catch here is that you may not even qualify. So click on the link below, complete the short survey to see if you are a good fit. Curious about how you can make money with zero risk of losses and zero tax on the gains? This tax loophole was created in 1913 for this exact reason, to give the top 5% income earners an edge over working-class Americans. You're fortunate to have found this valuable information and to be offered a free consultation with our financial experts today. Many advisors are out there charging thousands of dollars for services that are designed to keep you broke and away from financial freedom. And you still want to continue to trust them? Ever wonder why wealth creation strategies like these aren't taught in our schools? Well, our government and the IRS don't even want us to know about the amazing benefits of the 770 tax-advantaged account. Because if we do, there will be no more tax revenue for them. Knowing that taxes are the biggest source of government revenue. Ever wondered why employers don't offer tax-free retirement account to their employees? Because if they did, employees would become financially free and stop working for them. Also, employers promote tax-deferred accounts like the 401k, 403b, IRA, TSP, etc., because they get a big tax write-off by offering these accounts. Did you know that our country is currently in the lowest tax era ever? So, why defer paying a small tax on your small retirement savings today only to end up paying a bigger tax in the future? Makes no sense, right? That's why we're so passionate about freeing you from these tax schemes designed to keep you broke and away from achieving financial freedom. But Simon, I feel your passion and sincerity about these tax-free financial strategies. What if the companies issuing these policies go bankrupt? Well, we only work with A+ and A-rated financial institutions, most of whom have over 100 years of proven track records. And the simple answer is that you won't lose a dime of your money. In fact, this program is heavily regulated by federal and state governing bodies through the enforcement of provisions, guidelines, and regulations meant to protect consumers like you and me. The statutory reserve provision requires that these financial institutions keep about 8 to 10% of their net worth as cash reserves to ensure they can pay claims on all issued policies without running out of money. The reinsurance provision ensures that every account issued by these companies is reinsured by another company that will manage the policies if the first company goes bankrupt. Reinsurance provides an additional layer of protection on every policy. The mandatory membership of the State Guarantee Association steps in to manage financial crises and ensure every policyholder is compensated fairly. Only stable financial institutions and major life insurance companies that have stood the test of time are authorized to set up 770 tax-efficient accounts in the U.S. And it's with these companies that most commercial banks and other financial institutions keep their Tier 1 capital, the safest capital a financial institution can own. If our banks and the ultra-rich families trust these companies with their billions, you can too. But why hasn't my financial advisor told me about this? Most financial advisors don't even know about this type of account, and even when they do, they won't recommend it for fear that you won't need their services again once you get a 770 tax-efficient account. What are the disadvantages of this 770 tax-advantage strategy? The first downside is that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and not everyone who applies gets approved. The second downside is that it is a complex financial strategy, requiring expert skills to properly structure, and only about 2% of licensed financial professionals know how to properly structure these accounts for maximum cash accumulation and income. So, beware of inexperienced agents who don't just know how to do it right, and bad agents who care more about their commissions than they do for your financial well-being. Did you say the 770 tax-advantaged account is only offered to those who live in the United States? Yes, you heard me right, but you must meet the eligibility criteria which is found in the short questionnaire below. Any sign-up fees? Or ongoing advisor's fees associated with this tax-free program? There are no sign-up fees, nor ongoing advisor's fees associated with this program at all. In fact, most of our plans will pay you a sign-up bonus of 8 to 30% of whatever amount you deposit in your account upon approval. And how soon can I take money out of my account if I sign up today? The short answer is, at any time after your account is approved. But it will depend on whether or not your account is structured and funded correctly. And remember, this is an investment alternative and not a banking alternative. So you want to leave your money in for a reasonable period to enjoy the benefits of compounding and zero taxes on your gains. Our mission is to empower members of our communities on their quest for financial freedom, but we only work with serious and committed individuals who are tired of losing money to market fluctuations and taxes, and are ready to start protecting and growing their money with zero risk of losses and zero tax liability on their gains. Talk to one of our expert financial professionals today at 469-843-3595, or click on the Learn More button below to schedule your free consultation with one of our expert financial professionals who will match you with one of our multi-billion A+ rated financial institutions to determine your eligibility for this IRS-approved tax advantage program. We look forward to helping you achieve your life goals.